Welcome to today's free course on how to use Claude to start selling digital products. People, including myself, are making thousands of dollars every single month just by selling simple digital products. And it has never been easier to start than right now. So why should you start selling digital products? And is this business model right for you? This is perfect for those who want to start this as a side hustle, not invest too much money or time to start, and work from anywhere in the world. You can start this with little to no money and as a complete beginner. And I'm gonna walk you through this step by step. So let's go over the roadmap that you are going to learn today. We're going to do this today using 2 free AI tools. We're going to get our store built for us for free using an AI store builder. Then we're going to use Claude, or you can use ChatGPT, to build our digital products for us. Then I'll show you how to properly brand and strategize your business. And lastly, I'm gonna teach you guys how to start marketing these digital products to bring in the sales using the same exact strategies that made me a millionaire in 2 years. So many of you guys have started these online businesses after watching my YouTube channel and trying things yourselves, and you have seen crazy results. So if they can do it, why can't you? You already know people are out here charging thousands of dollars for courses just like this. And all I ask in exchange for the free education is just smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe to my YouTube channel so I can continue to create free courses and education for you guys just like this. So first thing to do on our roadmap is we need an online store. I'm gonna use this free AI store builder, instastore.ai, that's gonna build our own digital product custom store for us in less than 10 minutes. And I'll put all the links that I'm talking about today down in my description box below to make it easier for you guys to find them. So once you click that link, it's gonna bring you to this page. Then just click on Get My Free Store. Then click Sign Up to Shopify. Here we'll go through the Shopify sign up process. This only takes a few minutes, and you guys can pick the most basic plan when you guys are picking what Shopify plan to do. Doing it this way, you will get your first 3 months for just $1 a month, which is awesome. Then just come back to the AI Store Builder page and click Install instastore.ai. Then just click Install and install again. And this just allows the store builder to work. Then just click Choose Your Niche. And if you don't know your niche yet, or you don't see it here, just pick the one closest to yours or what you're interested in right now. You can always switch this up later. Here, you're then gonna select your banner, then just click Generate Theme. Now you'll go back to your Shopify dashboard and click Online Store to see your digital product online store ready to go. It is literally so crazy because this usually takes hours to build a store this good from scratch. And this free AI store builder did it so fast for us. Now, Shopify does give you a free domain here, and this is the link you'll share when driving people to your store, which we'll talk about later in this video. But you can see here that this is not branded. So once you decide on a name, which you can brainstorm with Claude, you should get a domain. And for this, I recommend using a .store domain. A .store domain is just like a .com, except it makes more sense. It tells your customers, Google, and even AI what your website is about before they click. And studies have shown that a .store domain actually can get you more clicks. Because it's just so clear and specific on what it is, buyers already know exactly what they're clicking on and they're ready to buy. So many people are already using a .store domain like Mr. Beast, Cristiano Ronaldo, Rihanna, and so many more, and just tons of business owners who are building their stores on them too. I did find a promotion for you guys for a limited time only. You can get a .store domain for just 99 cents. I put the link down in my description box for that promotion for you guys. And I also got a code from them. You can use this code BADDIE to get that promotion, which is perfect. So now that our store is built, we have it branded with our beautiful domain. Now we're going to talk about building the digital product that you're going to put in your store. You do not have to do this on your own. You can brainstorm with Claude or ChatGPT, of course, if you're deciding to use that. But I'm going to actually just share my own expertise here because I do have a lot of experience on this especially. The biggest mistake that beginners make is picking a product that nobody emotionally cares about. You don't want to sell information. You want to sell solutions to people that are ready to buy them, or transformations. For example, the money niche. People feel overwhelmed financially. Okay, there's a problem that's being solved with that. There's a problem that can be solved with the digital product. People want to organize their finances. Okay, there's another problem that can be solved with the digital product. The more you're able to identify issues in people's lives, the better that you're able to see what you can provide for others with digital products. What I did was I made a bunch of ideas for you guys here. I'll put this on the screen of just a bunch of different ideas that you guys could provide in just good niches. in the digital product space that you can provide. So I'm kind of your own personal Claude right now, coming up with ideas for you, but you can screenshot this or save this by liking the video, or refer back to this if you need more ideas. One of the best digital products to make, in my opinion, the easiest one is making an ebook. So after brainstorming with Claude Ai and just going back and forth with Claude, just talking away, we came up with this ebook called The Broke Girl Reset. So you guys can see that this title is way better than this title. A boring title like The Budgeting Guide is not gonna grab attention, but The Broke Girl Reset, that actually is grabbing emotions. That one is hitting people emotionally. This one is not really doing what it needs to do. So on Claude, I just want you to give it a prompt like, write a beginner-friendly, practical PDF guide called The Broke Girl Reset, How to Organize Your Finances, Stop Emotional Spending, and finally feel in control of your money. Include budgeting systems, emotional spending triggers, saving strategies, financial organization methods, habit building tips, checklists, and actionable steps. And boom, AI gives you the foundation. And now obviously you don't want to just copy and paste this and sell whatever AI spits out back at you. You're going to want to read through this, edit it, improve it, make it sound helpful, add examples. You can put it in any app and do these changes and make sure that it actually provides value. And you can also tell Claude what to change about it. Like you can actually say, hey, instead of this, rephrase this. Hey, redo this. Hey, use this. And you can work completely in Claude this way. The goal is to create a simple, affordable digital product that genuinely just helps someone solve a problem. So once we have this all written out, now we are going to take it over to Canva. I personally like to split my screen, have Canva on one side, have Claude on the other. And if you go to Canva, you just search ebook, templates, it will pop up a bunch of templates you can use. So just pick your favorite one out of all of these. And here we're going to edit the cover page. We're going to have the table of contents, chapter pages, checklists, trackers, and action steps. And after just going back and forth and inputting all of everything that Claude gave us, here's what we have built. Just keep it clean, guys. Don't overcomplicate the design. You don't need to do something crazy. And the cover can just be simple. The Broke Girl Reset. How to organize, the subtitle, how to organize your finances, stop emotionally spending, and finally feel in comfort of your own money. You can see clean fonts here, guys, neutral colors, modern aesthetic. Any photos you can use here also can be generated through Claude or ChatGPT. Once you are done with this, you're gonna go up to the upper hand right side here. You're gonna just export it as a PDF and go through here, save it to your computer or phone, and done, guys. Congratulations. You officially have a digital product that you literally just made with $0 using Claude. So now just go back to your online store that you built using InstaStore AI. And now that we're back on our Shopify dashboard, find products on the sidebar here, and you're going to just upload your ebook. And your product page should include your title, your cover image, who the guide is for, what problem it solves, what's included inside, and what transformation someone's getting from buying it. So this is everything that we have here. You can see it can say just something like, if you're tired of feeling financially scattered, emotional spending, or wondering where your paycheck disappeared to every month, this guide gives you a simple beginner-friendly system to reset your finances and finally feel organized. So you immediately see that it feels like a solution to the person looking at it. Then you're gonna upload your PDF. Choose your price points. I would say anywhere between $9 to $27 can work great for a simple beginner digital product. And now your store is live. So we have just launched your online store and built a digital product in less than 30 minutes. I mean, it's probably been less than 15 minutes, and you are done with the setup. Now you have to think, okay, I'm done with the setup. I got over that hurdle. Now it's time to market. So I always say it's 25% the product, 75% how you market it. So we just did the 25%. Now we're on to the 75% of where, and this is where people give up. Because a lot of people, they just get stuck here and they don't know where to go from here. I know so many people that are starting this completely faceless. I even started completely faceless. When I say organic marketing, and when I say use the free power of social media, it does not mean being an influencer. The people behind the scenes that are strategizing and hustling using the free power of social media are making way more money than even influencers nowadays. So when I say this, don't get discouraged like, oh, I hate social media. Like, you're going to learn to love it. You're going to love social media after you see how much money you can actually generate because of the free traffic from it. So my favorite right now, Threads, is really awesome because it's just written content and I see creators, brand new creators blowing up from it. So Threads is really awesome. I have a whole video about that on my YouTube channel about how to grow on Threads with your business. And not only that, but I have an entire playlist on my YouTube channel about how to market and grow your digital product businesses. So after this free course, I want you guys to go to that playlist and study that playlist, the free marketing playlist, so you guys can master marketing. I love to spy on competition and see what other people are doing. Another AI tool that I use for not only building my digital product, but also when people are having trouble like picking their niche, this helps them with that. Also marketing, especially this AI tool, Trend Assist AI, actually generates viral threads and creates Instagram carousels for you. So if you're having trouble even like producing marketing content, this AI tool, Trend Assist AI, can definitely help you with that as well. So definitely go check that one out so you can start marketing right away. And once you guys start getting sales, you're not going to stop at just this one product. You're going to keep on building. You can continue to build so many digital products aside from that one digital product. Like, your business is only going to expand. Those socials that you're going to set up just for this, just for promoting these digital products, those socials you can morph and continue to grow, and even those become an asset for you in driving traffic. Even if you decide to do something else or whatever it is, those are socials that you are growing that you can always use later on. So every single bit of this time that you're investing is an investment in your time and your business. And because of the power of AI, it's just never been easier to actually get started. It's up to you now to lock in and win. Again, guys, go study that free marketing playlist now that you have everything set up. Let's go. And if you have any questions, I try to respond to all of my comments down below. Make sure you guys are following me on Instagram as well. My Instagram is BaddieandBiz, BaddieandBiz, for more business inspiration and updates. Wishing you guys all the best with your digital marketing and digital product journeys. And I will see you guys in my next free course. Bye, everyone.